Today, I'm going to go through an example of building a list report with some conditional styling and a calculation. So, a real common example here is we have a list of incidents that we want with assignment groups and channel. Um, and then we want to see how long it took for the issue to be resolved. And then we want to conditionally style them. So, anything over an hour is highlighted. After we build the report, we'll show the different ways to share it out and utilize the report. So let's go ahead and we will go ahead and build a new slide. We'll go into our chart types and we're going to use the list chart here. Incident table. And from here, what I need to do is add some required fields and then some columns here. So let's go ahead and start with the columns. Let's see, I need name or number, a channel, duration, open. I think that's it. Okay. We'll go. Number. We got short description. We'll say channel. Oh, assignment group. That's what's missing. The assignment. Open. I'm going to leave this open because I want to do my calculation for the difference between these two dates there. So I'm going to hit save. We will go ahead and sort by opened. Let's say descending. We want clickable sort headers. We want pagination on, and we hit save. Okay, so this by default gives us a list of 10 instances. So go ahead and open. Let's go back into our data. Let's get our top 100, most recent 100. Hit save. Okay, so now you can see I have a scroll bar over here. So I got some more. So let's go in here. Now I need to add the calculation here. So we go into style, we got column calculations. Well, we need to say what column we want the calculation to be in. And then we'll say resolved duration. We will say resolved minus open. And we'll hit save. You can see here, now I have an hour and 2 seconds, 3 hours, so it's showing the difference. This one is not resolved yet, so we don't have a resolved time. I could filter out the resolved ones. Actually, let's go ahead and say where resolved. That is not empty. Go ahead and save. Okay, so now I should have only tickets that have been resolved and open recently. So now the next step that I want to do is just highlight tickets that have an over 1 hour resolve time. So if we go into style again, we have this column formatting. I'm going to say over an hour. It's resolved duration column. And we're going to say is greater than. And we're going to say a number. Now, what I need here is an hour. The catch here is that it needs to be an hour in seconds. 60 seconds times an hour, 60 minutes, so 3,600 seconds. And then if it's 36, let's go ahead and let's do a light blue. Can now save. So I hit save. Now we can see any of the tickets I have that are over 1 hour is colored in a light blue. Let's go ahead and give this a name. So this Yes. Just going to go ahead and save that. And let's go back here to this first one. Let's go ahead and delete this slide. So now my only slide is this second slide that I created. We'll save that again. I'm going to publish it so that I can share it out with this change to it. And then let's go to the viewer and take a look at it. Okay, so I could share this with people. I could share it with everyone and logs in. I could share it with individual users. But in this case, I know that I need to export it. And one nice thing is I turn pagination on when I set this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to download. Let's say PDF. Let's get a really high quality. And I don't want to do anything here. I could true flatten, but I don't think I want to here. So I'm going to hit download. We'll give it just a second. Okay, so now my download finished. So let's go ahead and open that report up. We open that. You can see here, we got, looks like 7 pages incidents here. And as we flip through, we can see that all of them have shown up. Now, one other thing that I could look at when I'm here on the viewer, one nice thing about this is I also turned on sortable headers. So let's say I wanted the export to be sorted by assignment group. I could sort it by the assignment group, and then I could download it at that level. Maybe I want to do it by channel. I could sort it by channel and then download it similar to that. So again, just another way to do a pretty common exercise for a report that you need to do on a regular basis. Hopefully that helps with your setup of your reports.